Hi guys, and welcome back to Zanele Daily. I am back again today with another style video, and today we are talking winter boots, and I'll be showing you guys a different type of winter boots that you guys can wear if you have thicker calves. So first, let me show you guys what I wore today, and this is my outfit. As you can see, just a quick clip, and then let's get into the video. First thing, I am going to show you guys the ankle boots that I wore on my previous style video and on the outfit today. So I'm gonna show you those ankle boots, and it's these ones. As you can see, they are laced up, and they are the ankle type of length. These are great if you have thicker calves, because you can fit into these without struggling to zip up. But these ones, they do have a zipper. But what I like about their lace, it's actually a proper lace. It's not like those fake lace up where it doesn't open up. So as you can see, and I got these at Edgars. I'm not sure if they have them because it was last year's collection, but yeah, you can get something like this for your thicker calves. Another one, I'm gonna insert a picture. I wanna start with the ankle ones and then we move over to the long ones. And then another one, it's the sock boot. I'll enter the picture somewhere here. Sock boots are nice because they fit according to your legs, and you can wear them whether you have much slimmer calves or if you have thicker calves. So you can wear those boots. It comes, I've seen some in SHEIN, and they come in different colors, from your white, your beige, your nude, your black and browns and all those things. So just check those out and check them in stores. I saw somewhere they say Legit has a collection, or for SHEIN. Just check it out. They're very much in trend right now. The ankle ones are perfect, and because it's a sock boot, they fit perfect to your size. So I would suggest you try those ones. Or I'm gonna insert another picture where you can wear the ankle boots, but those that have elastic on the sides. They have elastic on the sides, so they will stretch according to your calves. So try those ones out as well. They are perfect if you have thicker calves. And then now let's move over to longer boots that fit below your knees, or the thigh high ones. With those ones, what I would advise, let me first share with you guys what I have. They fit just right above the knee. I'll insert the video here, and I'm wearing them right now, so I can't show you, but I've taken a video here, a clip, so that you guys can see how those boots are. They have that elastic that I'm talking about, but on these boots it's on the back, and they also have a zipper. So what I would advise, get those ones that have an elastic on the sides or on the back, and maybe if they include a zipper, it's even better. Get those ones because they snuggle around your leg perfectly, and they fit according to your leg, so you won't find any gaps or anything like that. And yeah, although if you know you have thicker calves and thicker thighs, half of the time thigh high boots will go down. They'll slide down. I don't know why, I don't know how, but that's the reality. Don't expect that they're gonna stay up the whole way. You're gonna have to keep pulling them up and all those things. So those are the thigh high boots I would recommend. Another set of thigh high boots I would recommend for you are lace up thigh high boots. The lace goes all the way up. If they are knee length, if they are over the knees, if they are thigh high, try the lace up ones. They have trendy ones, they have nice ones in different colors and all those things. I've inserted the picture here, and you will see those ones are also very good in terms of fitting into your thick calves. So those are the boots I'm recommending, or I would suggest you get for winter. Otherwise, if you have any other suggestions or any video you'd like me to do in terms of fashion and styling, please do comment on this video down below and let me know. Otherwise, I hope I've helped some of you. This was basically inspired by my sister who was asking about getting the right fit in terms of boots, because she didn't know that you can actually wear longer boots, but you just have to choose a specific type of boots that will fit thicker calves. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and watch out for more style videos.